Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to hide files and folders in your Windows 10 computer with the help of CMD, means command prompt. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, what you have to do, you need to create one folder on your computer. So I will create on my desktop. So just right click and go to new and then folder. You can select any name, like you can choose any name, like I want to set a folder name like hide, and after that you have to copy paste or cut, right click and cut that file, and after that paste it under that folder which you want to hide. Okay, once it is done, you have to open CMD on your computer. So just go to search menu and type over there CMD. Now right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. Once it is done, click on yes. After that, after get this window, you have to put some command over there which I'll give you on my video description. So the command is called Attrib, then space plus ace space plus h. Okay, sorry, h. Then space, you have to put your folder location. So you just need to open that folder which you want to hide, and after that copy paste that URL from here, from this bar, search bar, and after that you have to just right click over there and it will paste automatically. Now before click on enter, so make sure that you have saved that location, your folder location. So just I will type over there location. So in future if you want to unhide this folder, then you just need this folder location. So I will going to save this folder location. So now what you have to do, I need to press enter. From here you need to press enter. Once it is done, as you can see, the hide folder is not showing on my desktop. So now if I will go to my computer, and after that if I'll go to view, then if I'll click on this hidden item over there, hidden item, you can also select from here like view, then show hidden files and folders. If I'll click on apply, as you can see, it's not showing over there. Okay, so if you want to unhide your folder, then what you have to do, you just need to put same command like attrib, then this time you have to put -s space -h, then your folder location. If you forget your folder location, you can copy paste this from this notepad which I have already saved on my desktop. Now press enter, and as you can see, my folder is showing over there again. So I hope this small video will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button, and if you have any queries or question, then comments down below. I will see you guys on the next video. Take care.